Hello, followers of Canary Islam immigrant in Spain. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media site just now, my people. Now I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, the Canary Island government, they don agree again say they wan take back minor immigrant wey be say the first day for that region. Recall, my people, 2nd of September 2024, the Canary Island government, they come get agreement with the Spanish government. Say now they no wan take care of immigrants for that region again. You wey be say you no know, Canary Island na one of the region wey be say e dey for Spain. So that region, e get the way they take carve am. So since on the 2nd of September 2024, the mayor of the Canary Island, they come get agreement with the Spanish state. That is the main government for Spain, when be say that is the minister of Spain and other people. When they be leader for Spain, they come get agreement. Say now the Spanish government, and they go dey take care of all those immigrants. They come carry all those immigrants comot under the mayor of Canary Island. So now on the 26th of September this month again, the Canary Island mayor, they don agree again. Say they wan start to dey take care of all those immigrants for the Canary Island again. As I see this story, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. According to the story, my people, I say Spain, Canary Island once again required to take in minor. Say they don agree again, say they wan take all those minor immigrants to dey take care of them. Since September 2nd, immigrants under 18 years of age have been under the responsibility of the Spanish state following a decision by the head of the Canary Island government, who refused to take them in due to the situation of the archipelago reception center. The measure was finally suspended on Tuesday by the Tenerife court. Canary Island Authority once again responsible for welcoming minors. On Tuesday, September 26, the Archipelago Court of Justice suspended the agreement reached on September 2nd, which authorized the Canary and the NGO on seat to refuse to take in young exile. In early September, following a new arrival of immigrants on the island of El Hierro, an association refused to take in minors due to the overload of its structure. The president of the government of the Canary, Fernando Clavijo, therefore decided the authority of the autonomous region would no longer manage alone the arrival of minor immigrants, and they would become the responsibility of the Spanish state, a decision that is now absolute. My people, so now the Canary Island government, they don agree again for the 26th of September 2024, say they wan start to take care of all those immigrants again. As I see this story, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now I say me I scatter am, make e for reach everybody. You wan be say you dey watch this story, anything wey you see, no forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, make e for reach everybody. I don go.